Okay guys, I'm gonna just make a little video because this isn't making sense at all to me. So, wanted to run through my wiring first. So yeah, this is for the 1100 MX series, and first stage is connect the wire 109 from the 109 block terminal block position into the J5.3 spot on the ECM board. So, you can see here that white wire right there, I've labeled 109, that is in a 109 spot. I have that running all the way through, pops up here into that white wire, the J5.3. I have that confirmed through the manual, and I've checked that 3 or 4 times now, and it is actually that spot. So, so that's that one. And then from my power cord, which comes through here, I didn't have a black wire in it, but I had the brown, so I treated brown as black, and then I have the blue and then the green/yellow. So brown wire is supposed to be labeled as the 130, and it says insert wire 130, black, but in my case brown wire from power cord into J5.4 on the ECM, which is the far right spot. So number 130 right there, in there. Okay, and then next we have the ground PE, green wire from power cord into any open terminal block labeled PE. So I have that down here. It's that third one in, marked PE. And last but not least, find the 104N terminal block and insert the 104N blue wire from power cord into that terminal block. And so there's blue wire up there, come down here, and it's that third one in, 104 into 104. I have a 3 amp fuse installed, and now machine is plugged into the wall, but main power is turned off according to the instructions. It says insert leads the multimeter into L and N outside of the terminals of a power cord socket. Mine just auto detects, but it should for the 220 volt AC. When the machine is off, meter should read 0 volts or 120 volts for the 1100. So mine should be reading 120 volts. Currently, I have 0 volts, and I am plugged in to the 2 outside spots. So with that said, if I turn the machine on, that 0 instantly goes to 240. So we're going to kick it on. Still plugged in. Now seeing 243 volts. I have updated Pathpilot now to the 2.10. I'm not going to wait for it to fully turn on, but if I click the mist button, if I pull it out of e-stop, click the mist button, I can hear the relay clicking on and off, but my voltage stays the same. It is always 240 volts. So I would love to know what I'm missing. Clearly I missed something, but I can't figure it out. So yeah, let me know. Thanks. I'll just show you guys real quick. So still 240 volts, still plugged into it. Come over here, pull the machine out of e-stop. If I click my Mist Coolant button, you may not be able to hear it in the video, but I hear the click of the relay clicking, but the voltage is still the same. So if I click this on, still seeing 240 volts. If I click it off again, still seeing the same voltage.